In this section of video, we are talking about the chapter solid state, the third part of this video, and the point is packing fraction and density. And the last video when we have uploaded, it was including the crystal system defects. This was the last video when we have to upload the 2 points, that is defect of crystal system and the ionic crystal type. Then we have going to the packing fraction and density. The packing fraction, the total volume, yeah, fractional volume that we occupied in a unit cell volume is known as packing fraction or a packing efficiency. There are four type of cell, that is simple cubic cell, body centered cell, FCC cell and EC cell. We have already talked in the previous section of video. Their efficiency are also different. In this section we have discussed about their formula and their packing efficiency. And we have to orally conversate like that SEC cell have a packing efficiency of 52.4% and body centered cell have a packing efficiency is 68% and FCC cell, that is packing efficiency is 74%, and for the end centered cell the packing efficiency is very poor and low, that is 37%, and 63% it is vacant. So we have going on the formula that then already have to told that the total volume of a fraction or the fractional volume occupied by atomic sphere in the available volume of a unit cell is called packing fraction or packing efficiency. Why we have to focusing on the formula that number of atom per unit cell, and this Z value I have already told you, and the volume of an atom of like volume of a unit cell. Here we have to know the atomic sphere are considered at a sphere, solid sphere, and the unit cell like a cube. The volume of atomic sphere that we have to know the 4 by 3 pi r cube, and the volume of unit cell that is E cube. If the different dimension, then we have used A equal to B multiplied by C. And in the next section we have talking about the packing efficiency of different type of unit cell. When we have to going first unit cell, that is SAC cell, their Z value is 1 and relation between edge length and radius of atom is equal to 2r. These 2 points are very necessary for solving this equation. And the packing fraction formula, that the Z value is 1 and the 4 by 3 pi r cube is the volume of atomic sphere, and we put the relation of this edge length and radius and their cube, and solving this equation we have find out the pi by 6 value, which is equal to 0.524. This is the fractional value, and we have to multiply both side by 100. This is the percentage value, this is 52.4%, and vacant space, that is unoccupied volume, that is 48.6%. And when we are moving on the body centered cell, we have to know the Z value is 2, any number of atom per unit cell, that is 2, and the relation between edge length and radius, that is 4 by root 3 times of r. Then we have putting this value on the formula, and we have got the equation, that is pi root 3 by 8. This when we have to solve, this value is 0.68%, and the percentage efficiency, that is 68%, and the vacant space, unoccupied volume by atomic sphere, that is 32%. And when we have moving on the FCC, and we have putting like that value, that Z value is 4, and relation between edge length and radius of an atom, that is 2 root 2 times of r. And when we have to solving this equation, we have get 0.74 fractional value by multiplying 100 both side. The packing fraction, that efficiency is 74%, and the unoccupied volume, void space, we have to say, that is 26%. Then the most efficient packing is find in FCC cell. And the last cell we have to talking about ECC cell, in centered cell, that Z value is 2, and relation is A, age length and radius 2 root 2 times of r, and then we have to got the solving this numerical value, that the fraction is 0.3% and the percentage fraction is 37%, and the vacant space is 63%, yani unoccupied volume of unit cell by atomic sphere. So they are very poor efficiency of ECC cell. When we have talking on the density of a unit cell, density of a unit cell, we have to normally know that the mass per unit volume is known as density. In this section, the mass of a unit cell and divide by the volume of a unit cell, we got the density. We know that the molecular lattice have a small atomic sphere in it, so we have molecular weight of a lattice is equal to Na. Na is the Avogadro number into mass या molecular weight of atom. Then we got the equation that the mass per unit volume is called density, and the rho is a symbol of density. As your abbreviation, you have to this abbreviation or small d, it does not matter. That's the equation is number of atom per unit cell, this is Z value, and molecular weight of atomic sphere, that is small n, not capital M, and the volume of unit cell. Then volume of unit cell, this is AQ, I have already told about that. Note point that the molecular weight of a lattice is equal to Na into M. It is the multiple of Avogadro number into the molecular mass, mass of an atom. Then we got the molecular weight, the mass of a small atomic sphere, that is molecular weight of lattice divided by Avogadro number. Putting this value in this equation, we got desired equation, that Z into M into Na A cube and 10 to the power minus 30. We have solving this 10 to the power minus 30 value because it is in the picometer, and we have solved this in cc. Cc means cubic centimeter and millimeter. For the numerical section, first question, that NaCl as a crystal is FCC crystal, and then calculate the number of chloride and per unit cell. In any question you have numerical problem, the question have identify their structure like FCC, BCC, SCC. We have to focus on this point. This is the FCC. So the chloride per unit FCC structure, we have already used the FCC structure, the FCC unit cell, that the 8 atoms are corner and 6 are the face centers. So solving this equation, 8 multiply 1 by h plus 6 into half, that the 4, that the fluor chloride ion per unit cell.